Hey guys, now it's time to sing some of our favorite songs. Are you ready? Let's get started. We'll start with our hello song. Hello, friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Let's do it one more time with a big smile. Show me your biggest smile. Ready? Hello, friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good job. Now we're going to do the song that we started last week. It's called I Am Here. Remember, it goes, I am here and you are here. We are all together. I am here and you are here. We're going to have some fun. You guys remember that one? So we're going to do lots of different actions. We're going to be clapping, we're going to be stomping, nodding, and wiggling our fingers. Okay? So let's get started. It goes like this. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're going to have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. Nice. Start from the top. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. Good job. Back to the top. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to stomp my feet. Good job. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to stomp my feet. I'm going to wiggle my fingers. Good job. You guys did a great job with that song. Hopefully you remembered it from last time and it was a little bit easier this week. Next up, get your blackbirds ready. Okay. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Nice. Okay, now we're going to sit in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting on the grass. One named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away slow. Fly away fast. Come back slow. Come back fast. Nice. Now we're going to fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away low. Fly away high. Come back low. Come back high. Nice. All right, now here's your favorite part. On a cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. And one named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back loud. Nice. Whew. You guys need to take a break from all that singing? Let's take a deep breath. Nice. All right, our next song is one that you all know. It's The Wheels on the Bus. And this one has a lot of motions, so get ready. You ready? Awesome. All right, here it goes. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. We're going to do the wipers. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. Now what do the babies do? Remember? The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. So the mamas on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mamas on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. Last time, let's do the wheels. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. And I hope you guys don't mind my singing voice. I'm not the best singer, but I still have fun anyway, so I hope you do too. All right, now we're going to get our shakers. So if you remember, last time we did shakers, I told you I don't have a shaker at home. So I used sprinkles. And this time I'm using pepper, black pepper. See, it kind of sounds like a shaker. It's not as loud, but that's okay. So remember to grab something from your house, but make sure you ask your parents if you can use it. Don't take it without asking. And make sure it has a lid so that it doesn't make a mess if you shake it. It has to stay in the container. All right, if you need to pause the video, now's a good time to pause it. Okay, I hope you guys all have your shakers and you're ready for our shaker songs. We're only going to do 2 shaker songs, so you ready? All right. The first one is If You're Happy and You Know. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. Now we're going to give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. Now we're going to give a tap. We're going to tap it gently on our hand. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. I'm going to give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. Nice job. Our next song is called Everyone Can Shake. And this is the one where when you hear the word stop, you're going to freeze with your shaker. Okay? Remember this one from school? I bet you guys can do a great job. Here we go. Everyone can shake, shake, shake. Everyone can shake, shake, shake. Everyone can shake, shake, shake. And now let's make it stop. Good job. Ready? And clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. And now let's make it stop. Nice. We're going to do a gentle tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. And now let's make it stop. Good job. Ready? Wave. Everyone can wave, wave, wave. Everyone can wave, wave, wave. Everyone can wave, wave, wave. And now let's make it stop. Good job, guys. You did awesome with that one. I'm so proud of you. All right, we're going to put our shaker away. I'm going to put mine off to the side. And it's already time to sing our goodbye song. So I am really happy with how you sang today. I'm sure you sounded amazing. I wish we could all sing together, but hopefully we'll be able to do that again soon. All right, now it's time to say goodbye. Here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next week. Bye, friends.